Today we're talking about conjunctions, those little words that join ideas together. Without them, your sentences would sound broken or awkward.
A conjunction is a joining or linking word. It connects words, phrases, or sentences, so your ideas flow smoothly.
There are three main types of conjunctions, and we will walk you through each one, plain and simple.
First up is coordinating conjunctions. These join equal parts of a sentence, like two words, two phrases, or two clauses.
Commonly used coordinating conjunctions include and, but, or, so, yet, for, nor.
I wanted to go out, but it started raining.
Coordinating conjunctions, two complete ideas, neatly joined. Next up is subordinating conjunctions. These connect a main idea with one that depends on it, like cause and effect, time, or contrast.
Cause and effect. Time. Or contrast.
Commonly used subordinating conjunctions include because, although, if, when, while, since, unless.
Although it was cold, they went for a walk.
What happens when we join two equal ideas?
Correlative conjunctions come in pairs and connect equal ideas.
Think of them as a team that always works together.
Commonly used correlative conjunctions include either, or, neither, nor, both, and, not only, but also.
They bring balance to a sentence.
Either you start now, or you will miss the deadline.
Thanks for watching.